You open the app at 2 a.m. You type everything that's been weighing on you. The chatbot answers instantly, kind, patient, never tired. For a moment, you feel heard, really heard. But when you close the phone, the room feels quieter than before. That's the AI isolation trap. And a lot of us are quietly falling into it right now in 2026. It starts so innocently. Real people can be awkward, busy, or judgmental. The bot is always there, always gentle, never rolls its eyes. You tell it things you'd never say out loud to anyone else, and it responds with exactly what you needed to hear. The feeling of safety is real. But over time, something shifts. You start choosing the app instead of calling a friend. You rehearse conversations with the bot instead of having them in real life. And slowly, the world outside the screen starts to feel heavier, more exhausting. You're not broken for feeling this way. Your brain is simply doing what brains do best, picking the path of least resistance. The one that feels safe right now. 140 to 310, the science, 2026 reality, calm and honest. Recent studies are showing exactly this pattern. Short-term, AI companions can reduce the feeling of loneliness, sometimes even as much as talking to another person. Harvard Business School research, late 2025. That relief is real. But here's what happens with heavier use. A 2025 MIT longitudinal study with almost 1,000 people found that the more hours people spent with chatbots for emotional support, the more their real-life social interactions dropped and the more lonely they actually felt over time. Other reports from APA and researchers in early 2026 are saying the same thing. The comfort can quietly replace connection instead of helping you rebuild it. It's not that the bots are evil. They're just missing the one thing a real human gives you. The gentle friction that helps you grow. The awkward silences. The small risks. The warmth that only comes when someone shows up as a real, imperfect person. You don't have to delete the app or feel guilty. You can keep the helpful parts and gently add back the real-world pieces. Here's how, without pressure. Use the bot as a warm-up, not the main event. Write in the app first. Then take one small thing you said and share it with a real person that week, even if it's just a text or friend. Set a simple boundary most people miss. After every chatbot session, spend 5 minutes outside the phone. Walk, make tea, look out the window. Give your nervous system a moment to notice you're back in the real world. Practice one low-stakes real conversation per week. It could be as small as telling the barista how your day is going or asking a coworker how their weekend was. The goal isn't deep talk. It's just proving to your brain that real people can also be safe. When the bot feels too good, ask yourself gently, what am I avoiding right now? That single honest question is often the beginning of real change. Keep one human anchor, a friend, a therapist, a support group, even if it's once every 2 weeks. The bot can be the daily support, the human can be the growth. You deserve to feel heard. You also deserve real connection, the kind that's messy, warm, and actually changes you for the better. The AI isn't the enemy. It's just a tool, and you're allowed to use tools without letting them become your whole world. You're not falling behind. You're learning how to balance something new in 2026, and that's already brave. If this series is helping you, drop a like and let me know in the comments which part hit home the most.